unboxing. So this is a non-veg breakfast option, and if you see, this is a brown bread, and इसके साथ आपको मिलता है vanilla muffin, and apart from that what you get is a mixed fruit jam, and then you have this spoon. इसको थोड़ा संभाल के रख देते हैं. You have this Verka butter, and then you have this pre-mixed chai. So this pre-mixed chai is one of the best things on the plate because it is very superior as compared to the dip tea. Then we have the omelette, and I'm assuming इसके नीचे would be a few मटर and few fries. So let me just see what do we have. Oh, so it looks like there are quite a bunch of good veggies. So this is a first for me कि इतना veggies मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. So this is actually very good, and I noticed one thing, that is this is from Sunshine Caterers. So Sunshine Caterers is the same catering company that caters to the Ahmedabad Mumbai Shatabdi Express, and usually I've found कि उनका meal काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है as compared to other caterers like IRCTC or some other catering companies. So I'm hoping this is a good meal. Anyway, under omelette है तो you cannot make any mistake, but it should be good. So that's it for the Vande Bharat breakfast unboxing.